wouldn't call when I was up, I was on the wrong things. I ain't silly, ain't no dumb nigga. Are you dumb nigga? Really stay with the pump nigga. Fuck it's up nigga. If you mad, you a fuck nigga. I don't trust niggas. Skunk gang, chew 'em up nigga. We don't fuck with ya. Okay, my block gang, dirty bang. Skunk gang, big jumper, big thing. Let your nuts hang who they. Don't say BBA, change your mood, eh? Any day, gotti, cooking up, speed it up, double guns, any gun, boot it up, molly up, break it up, cop it, then I serve it up, give it up, gotti, got it. Who really with the money? Who really with the got it? Who really with the money? Ooh, do my dance, hit my dance, ready bands, 100 bands, on my dance, Molly up, give it all, top it, then I serve it all, give it all, really with the got it, who really with the money, who really with the got it, who really with the money, ooh, do my dance, hit my dance, ready bands, 100 bands, on my dance, Molly up, give it all, top it, then I serve it all, give it all, really with the got it, who really with the money, who really with the got it, who really with the money, ooh, came my block gang, dirty bang, skunk gang, big jumper, big thing, let your nuts hang who they, don't say BBA, change your mood, eh? Any day, gotti, cooking up, speed it up, double guns, any gun, boot it up, molly up, break it up, cop it, then I serve it up, give it up, gotti, got it. Who really with the money? Who really with the got it? Who really with the money? Ooh, do my dance, hit my dance, ready bands, 100 bands, on my dance, Molly up, give it up, rock it, then I serve it up, get it up, really with the got it. Who really with the got it? Who really with the
Good morning. Whoopsie daisy. Hit the mute button there. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Had our coffee. Boy, oh boy. Set it and forget it. The bull run is back. Let's get a sound check. My gosh, we are splayed out. The funded account is banged out. Let's do a little sound check here, folks. My golly, Suey is just unstoppable. Unstoppable. Got in at pretty much the bottom to the dollar, then average it to 236 was my average entry. And hang on, let me do a sound check. Had to take some profits off because anything over 10x, the limit's only 1.5 million. And I had what, like 200 G's. And so I took profits so I could rank it up to 300K. Yeah. B-I-O-K-Y. Yeah, B-I-O-K-Y. Testing 1 2 1 2 testing. Hooray! Oh my yeah. All right. Man, I feel like I haven't stopped. I got back home. Haven't even been able to take a breath. I've been sleeping lightly. Short-term naps. Having to ignore everyone else around me, sacrifice the attention of loved ones besides my little Fifi and Chelina. They get my attention always. And it's funny, you know, anyone listen, it's just it's whatever anyone else says doesn't matter, because they either don't know, they don't see, they just did whatever. Fuck them. Because they're always going to say that. There's always going to be someone saying the opposite of you no matter what. Someone's always going to be there saying the opposite as you. Fuck them. The weekly. 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 Weekly. That's a funny word. Weekly is a funny word. Weekly is a funny word. Weekly. What does weekly sound like? Weekly. What does weekly sound like? Weekly sounds like a worm. It's little Weekly the worm. Sui just won't stop. It is just churning and burning. Right off the back of Bitcoin. And I gotta say, at first, I was a little worried because I didn't know if Bitcoin was gonna come up today, because it's up against, you know, we're up against a spider line here. But we have inwardly curved VWAP oscillation, and this momentum wave is skirting along, not wanting to clip. The RSIs are green, they are close, and money flow is overall coming up. Is it the most outwardly curvature money flow? No, but it is curved. It's choppy, but it's curved, and it's what can I say? I like what I see. I like what I see. You don't have to believe me, but I like the weekly. I believe. Whatever goes to all-time high, whatever. I believe that this leads to a strong run of some sorts. Maybe it goes to 100,000, that's it. Maybe it goes to 200,000. Maybe it goes to 95,000. Who knows? Who knows? And I'll tell you what else. Forget about your targets. Forget about your stop loss. What's your stop loss? What's the target? What's the target? Every trade you enter doesn't need a target. Let me repeat that. Every trade you enter does not need a target. You're only making the job hard on yourself. You don't know what the indications are going to look like. Now, sometimes you can have targets. Absolutely. You can have targets sometimes, but you don't have to have one every damn time. For example, let me show you. The SUI large time frames, the 8-hour, the gates have been open. The gates have been open. RSI's continuing up. Momentum gates have been open. The 12-hour, the gates have been open. The gates have been open. The 4-hour had a little clip. Gates became open. And it was irking. The lower time frames, of course, there are the lower time frames. There is going to be oscillation. There was oscillation. Beautiful 30-minute trigger wave fired off and murder. Fired off, murder. Fired off and murdered. If you know that it's not done and it's gonna keep going, you don't know the target. People have a hard enough time even getting in on the right side of a trade, let alone what's the target, what's it going to be at, where's it going to go, and what time, and where am I going to be, and what am I going to do when that happens, and what if this happens? You don't know what the charts are showing you. Wait till you see what the charts are showing you. You don't need a target every time. You don't need a target in every single trade that you fucking think of. Sometimes. Yeah, the gates are open, baby. And then also keep an eye on how much time is left in the candle. So, for example, there's 31 minutes left in this 12-hour candle. Okay. So we're going to see a new candle. Print. This one's going to confirm. This one confirmed. Open. And I'd be willing to make $1 million bet that the gates are going to be open on the next open of that candle. And when you zoom into the candle to the left, the leading candle, the gates are open on that one. I'd be willing to make $1 million bet that in 30 minutes the gates are going to be open on this one too. The gates are open. Sui is going mad, mad, mad. And people that are trying to short are just getting wrecked. Bitcoin's pulled back 30% or 25%, whatever it was. Altcoins pulled back 80, 90%. The weekly is churning and it's burning. Go ahead and keep trying to short. Go ahead. Just like the degenerate Las Vegas sports bettor that keeps trying to bet against the Yankees even though they're on a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 game, 13 game winning streak. Oh, eventually they have to lose. But eventually they have to lose. But eventually they have to lose. Keep shorting, keep losing. Keep shorting, keep losing. How do you learn my system? Oh, there's shitty tutorials on the website itself, and there's a bunch more other YouTubers and traders that use Market Cipher and have tutorials as well. You can watch these tutorials that I made in my fucking garage when I tell you about my dog, cats, and jokes first. They work because it's everything you need to know, pretty much. It's all you need to know. Basic strategy. But boy, do I really need to clean these up and actually make some real fucking PowerPoint, cut to the chase tutorials, not telling you about my cat, dogs, and what kind of steak I like, and telling jokes and kidding around like an asshole. I'm embarrassed of my tutorials. Whenever I have to show someone that I know and I make them watch them, I'm embarrassed. Not that they don't tell you what you need to know, because they do, but we certainly need to. We could do a better job. There's other YouTubers. You know, I've left it that way because I've left the gates open for others to come in and create content. I could make better tutorials tonight. Have my editors edit them. I should. But the gaps have been filled by other. When people go online and they search, they find other Market Cipher trading YouTuber fuckheads. So there is a method to the chaos, but I need to have better. We need to have better. We got to do better tutorials. They're fucking. We got to freshen those up. The $800 to $1 million trade challenge is cruising along, folks. We are over 10% of the way there. From $800 to $1 million, we are at 107,932. With a prop-funded firmed account, thanks to Breakout Prop. Pablo, I only will have what I use in a trade on the account. So if I'm gonna do a $10 million trade, that's gonna be 5x with 2 million, 5x. I'll have 2 million on the account. If I'm gonna do a 3 million trade, 10x leverage with 300K, I'm gonna have 300K on the account. Whatever's on the account, I'm trading.
A Blackjack? Yes, ma'am. Is he still in the bank? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Just stay on the phone with me, okay? I think he's armed. You think he's possibly?
Let the nerds talk about resistance, because we've been blowing what resistance, dog? We've been blowing past it since 223. You said the same thing right here, 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 and you're saying the same thing now. Your resistance is futile. You can resist all you want to, but a bunch of big black men are about to rape your asshole if you don't get on the right side of this shit, because the bull run's going. And it's going to go with or without you, and it goes quick. It goes real quick and hard. And you're going to be left crying at night, shivering, while everyone else is having a good time. Let's see here. Man, this thing just keeps going. This is amazing. This is amazing. Amazing. And how long will this bull run last? I mean, I'm telling you, there's always another question. You give a mouse a cookie, they ask for a glass of milk. You give a mouse a cookie, they ask for a glass of milk. It's like, why ask the question when the answer will not feed you what you want? But I'll tell you, I'll answer your question to the best of my ability. I can only go off of hold up. I can tell you my theory, and it's pretty simple because everyone else pretty much has the same damn thing. The 4-year cycle. My guess is that come November, December, 150K, and 150K, something like that. And then after this year, shit hits the fan. That's what's supposed to happen. Now, the 4th year, the real fact about oh my golly, look at her go. Look at her go. What did I tell you? The gates are open. Fuck your targets. The gates are open. There is no resistance. There is no such thing as resistance. The gates are open.
About to make a fucking stank on a bus to cut this mine. Try to
Sorry, I just got distracted looking at this Twitter thing. Hey, who knows the answer to this stupid mirror trick? The mirror thing. Where you put a towel over the mirror and it shows the camera. Anyways, what were we talking about? That's right, the gates are open. The gates are open. It's like everyone gave up. You know, what happened to all the Bitcoin, all the perma bulls? Where's all the perma bulls? The perma bulls gave up. So it is time. Our trajectory for this year was the Rahilador prophecy at 80,000. It went a smidge below. The prophecy was fulfilled. And now the next and he is tightly packed. By the way, Rahilador, if you're new here, was drawn well before this price action. Just let you know, Rahilador's been here. And it just so happens Rahilador's nice and tightly packed in. Like a little burrito. Like a little chilito. A little chalupa burrito. Now, where do we go from here? Is it going to be a straight shot? Maybe a little S pattern? Or is this going to fail into something more? It looks better than this. It looks better than these waves. It looks a lot more like this wave. Lot more like this wave. And the RSIs, oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, let's look at these RSIs. Yeah, no, I think it looks good. They're still strong. They're up and they're strong. They're up and they're strong. Just get boom, but they continue up. Just coming on. Damn thing, come on, man. They come up there. Boop, doop, 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 boom. Yeah, but this Sui's where it's at. The Sui's where it's at. And we were here first. We put everyone on. We put everybody on. Now we have, let's see here. Just under 2 hours. For market open. Am I not worried about the monthly on Bitcoin? Yeah, let me answer that question. There's plenty of fucking time. Plenty of time. Look how thick the money flow is. And, you know, this isn't the most high anchor to a low trigger wave. And the drop already happened. This signaled at the beginning of the candle, and we've already had, it's already dropped 25%, 30%. And this fired off at the beginning. There's plenty of time for it to diverge. Plenty of time. If it does continue down. Plenty of time. This is a much more anchor bearish trigger than this one. Money flow hasn't even started coming down yet. And maybe it will. Maybe it will. Maybe it will, but not yet. Money flow looks like it's coming up on the 2-day tight. This looks like a tight bull run money flow. What happens in the bull runs? It's tight. High in the green. Spends very little time in the red. High in the green. Very little time in the red. What happens in a bear run? It goes down in the red. Very little in the green. Down in the red. Very little in the green. How is GameStop doing? How is GameStop doing these days? Haven't heard much from it lately, huh? Golly, it's still at 20s. It's still at $24, $25. Damn, good. GameStop pumping at $29 in pre-market is what now? Do what now? Look at that. Oh, my God. That's why someone mentioned GameStop. Look at that pre-market GameStop. The markets are about to pump on open. I guarantee you, Planetar. I guarantee you, Planetar. Planetar. We've been waiting, and we said we just need another hour. The hourly, remember the hourly on Planetar? Look. Last time, previously on Planetar, the inverse head and shoulders on the money flow. The RSIs were coming up. We took our options. We set them off, set our strike price, cashed it in for 6 figures. Now Planetar started coming down, and we said, do not frown. We're going to wait for the same thing to happen again. Now the hourly was a little light red. But the 2-hour this time was what gave it to us. The 2-hour, so clear. Nice little curvature. Easily disdained momentum. Easily disdained momentum right there. Look at that. Look. Boom. RSIs. And right now, as we speak, we have a nice little curvature of the VWAP outside outfits, outwardly curved. VWAP oscillation coming up. Planetar options are back. The Planetar is back. And if Planetar is back, if GameStop is back, if the weekly momentum wave is back, so is Bitcoin and a couple different shitcoins. In my humble opinion. We can take a look at ETH. Listen, ETH, ETH who gives a shit about Ethereum? I'll take a look at it, though. I'll take a look at it. But, yeah, we'll take a look at it. Hang on here. get their treats. Okay. What were we talking about? Ethereum. Man, I'm telling you, if longing Sui is the way to go, longing Sui is the way to do it. Let's take a look here. We're short in ETH, huh? We're just short in ETH, huh? Let's see. Shorting ETH. Okay, nice little trigger wave to the upside there on ETH. I mean, it's choppy. ETH looks like shit both ways. It's going to be slow moving. Now the higher time frames probably look good because the higher time frames are bullish on crypto right now. Bitcoin, everything. There's a 6 hour. The 8 hour, I mean, why would you want to trade Ethereum right now when there's just better shit to trade? Why would you want to trade Ethereum right now? This makes no sense to me. Why trade Ethereum when we have much easier, more confident indications and signs than what's going on here? This looks weird and lame.
Let's look at Shitter Cardano.
Wow, Shitter Cardano charts look better than Ethereum. How does that sound? What do you think of them apples? Gates are open on Cardano on the 8 hour. What is this, 20%? Let me guess, 10%. Okay. Weird ass candles. 100%. What? What was this? A month ago? Huh. Yeah, I mean, whatever. XRP. XRP on the daily. Let's start with the weekly. I mean, it's got the money flow going for it. It's got a can opener VWAP. Momentum has been kind of trickling down. It's obviously been diverging, you know. All right. All right. Trigger wave on the, what is the 5-day, I guess. It's got a trigger wave on the 5-day. There you go. The 3-day money flows in the green. Looks a little weird. This Ripple shit looks weird. Not a big fan. I'm not a big fan, but the daily does look good. The daily looks okay. Got the RSIs are green. They're floating kind of mid-range. It already had its pump. You know, this, geez, this was the one over the summer, wasn't it? Yeah. This was, yep. Or at the end of last year. Yep. This is when I told one of my business partners, friends / employees that, no, anything but Ripple. He said, I got 40 grand and my buddy says to put it all in, I'm gonna put it all in Ripple. I said, anything but that. Anything but that. And boom, that shit happened a week later. It's my stream and I can burp if I want to. In fact, most people like it when I do it. Pepe, someone was asking about Pepe. Yeah, it's a good time to analyze some shitcoins because it's a good time to buy some Not all of them. You got to know what to choose. Probably, yeah. Okay, well, Pepe, what about like FET? How's FET been doing? FET, yeah. Stop playing with me. Yeah. See, look, 87% pullback, 90% pullback, 90% pullback. Bitcoin weekly curving up. Might be a good time to throw a little something at this FET. What about FTM? That was one as well too, wasn't it? FTM 80% pullback. Chart looks a little weird. This one's a little weird. But at least it's not one of these shitcoins that just does this. How's Tron? Jumping in with Jamel. Okay, the 12 hours got a nice little VWAP curvature coming up. Money flow pointing down on this 6 hour. Money flow coming up. You know, Tron's a stable crypto, very stable. Tron is kind of like the gold of crypto. If there was one coin or chain or shit token that I would say is closest to gold, it would be Tron in the way that it acts. Still has its bumps, but just goes steady up and to the right and is actually used. People actually, companies, big money actually uses the Tron chain. The TRC20 chain, we use it. What else? Let's get back on track here. I like how these arrows worked out. Look, it's like a big one, a little one, and a littler one. And this is pretty cool. Isn't this pretty cool right here? Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah, so we have an slightly outwardly curved VWAP coming up. Momentum wave clipping. If this wave, it may not, but I'm telling you, if we we're about halfway through the week. We got, what, 4.5 days left? Man, if we can just hold this bullish price action and this starts to clip, my lordy, you're talking about a serious time. And that doesn't mean without volatility. Look at this candle. This one, that was 10%. That was a 10% weak candle right there. It's 18% candle right there. Look at this wick. That's a 17% wick up and down. you know. I mean, I am expecting, and he probably is. I haven't spoken with him. I am willing to bet that Crypto is in a fucking $74,000 or $76,000 or $78,000 Bitcoin big long that he's going to be holding until December, November. I need to actually pump some more money into the CryptoFace holding fund. That's what I need to do. Is now's the time to actually need to talk to those guys. They've been trying to talk to me. I think I've been gone and on vacation and doing a bunch of shit. But I need to talk to the block guard dudes. He don't know what he's gonna do yet. He can guess what he might say he's gonna close this trade in Q2, but he doesn't know that yet. He doesn't know that yet. So don't take everyone's words for gospel. Everything can change in a day. March Madness. I've only watched a couple games. You know, I don't know shit about the teams, but I tell you, you know who I saw that looked good was Kentucky, and then my guy tells me Duke is looking really good as well. I know Kentucky's was like a 3 seed because I watched them play Illinois, and they can. You know, you need a deep bench. You can't just have 5 starters that are good if you want to make it all the way through. You need a deep bench. Kentucky, they got a deep bench. I haven't watched Duke myself, but I hear Kentucky Duke. Kentucky. I'm saying Kentucky. You know what? Let me take a look at the betting odds. What if I go with Nantucket, Kentucky? What I would make if I bet on Kentucky. Okay, let's see here. March Madness. Okay, Duke's a rank 1 team. Kentucky, rank 3. What about where's the props to just like win it all? How do I bet on Kentucky to just win it all? Let's see here. I just want to bet on Kentucky to win it all. Let me type in Kentucky. Okay, so they're playing Tennessee next. They're the underdog. on the first half. Kentucky. I'm going to take Kentucky to cover the 4-point spread. Haven't seen Tennessee. Let's see. When do they play? They play in 2 days. To win straight up, it's plus 160. Let's see. I'll do half to win and half to cover the spread. Fuck it. Kentucky for 250. And Kentucky to win straight up. Or excuse me, Kentucky to cover the spread as well. I put $500 on Kentucky, but I want to take Kentucky to win the whole tournament. Where can I do that? This damn site. I mean, I really just want to know the odds. Let me see. Kentucky odds to win March Madness. Current odds plus 5,500. Ooh, so $100 will win me $5,500. Okay, odds to win. All right, so I mean, I need to just do bet MGM. I just need to download the bet MGM. I go to end. I don't know why I don't. I just need the BetMGM app. To reach, okay, here we go. Let's see here. To reach championship game. Okay, yeah, here we go. Futures. Here we go. National champion. Kentucky plus 6,500. I'm taking it. If I put $1,000 on Kentucky to win the championship, I win $65,000 on Kentucky. I guess Duke's the favorite. I guess they say Duke looks good. So my guy said Duke looks good, which okay, they're the favorite. But do they look as good as Kentucky? Let's do $250 on Kentucky to win $16,250. Let's fucking do it. Let's do it. All right. Bets under review. Approve it. Approve it, you pricks. Come on now, I'm trying to bet on Kentucky. Hi, my name is Kentucky. Would you like to take a seat? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kentucky. And tonight, we're betting on Kentucky. The mascot for Kentucky should be a ducky. The Kentucky Duckies are going for the win. There's the Kentucky Ducky mascot. Ducky is his name. Bucky. Bucky the Kentucky Ducky. There goes Bucky again. Look at him go, Bill. Look at him go. Look at him run around. We love Bucky the Ducky for Kentucky. Yes, sirree. Man, this ETH trade hasn't moved for shit. ETH has been the worst perform. I think. Well, let's see here. 10 ETH. That might be lower. Let me see here. What is that? 258. Yeah, man. ETH just ain't doing nothing. ETH ain't doing nothing. Solano's at 144. Kentucky is at 260.78. Kentucky. Damn, I like saying that. Solano's at 276. Kentucky's at 227. I really like the name Kentucky. You couldn't tell. Oh, what time is it? Yeah, what to do now? What to do now? I know I still need to do the counting cards thing. I know I've been saying that for years. How's Bitcoin doing here? Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. Man, this Bitcoin's been ranging. Super ranging. Spread out on a couple different little shitter accounts here. Let's take a look. See here. Kentucky. The Ducky. All right. Little curvature there. The gates are still open. The gates are still open to the downside on Bitcoin for the moment. Man, every time Bitcoin pulls back, you know, maybe Sui pulls back a little bit, but when Bitcoin goes up even just a couple $100, Sui takes off. Some deviations. It depends. It depends on what's on the environment. So, staying on 15s pisses everyone off and is the deviation that'll get you in trouble the most. Same with 16s. There's a time and a place. There's there's a way that there's a way to handle deviations where you just gotta know what's going on. You just have to know how to read the table, you know. Like when it's obvious, sometimes it's obvious that like everyone knows, oh man, there's been a bunch of 10s, or there's a bunch of 10s coming. You know, sometimes it's obvious when you can do a deviation. But if you're doing hardcore deviations and fucking every time that counts at least +1, you're staying on 15s, you're gonna piss everyone off. And if you actually are I mean, you know, no, I've never been kicked. I've never been kicked off a blackjack table before for counting cards. But if I was doing every deviation, staying on every 15 on a +1 count, I'd probably get my ass kicked and maybe got kicked off a few. Yeah, you just played smart. Like there was one hand I had actually on my last trip. While I was playing 2 hands, and I got dealt like a 15 and a 4 and a 16. And the count was extremely high, extremely hot count. And the dealer was showing a king. Dealer had a 10. And so I said, you know what? I'm like, I'm going to let the dealer bust. And so the guy to the left of me did what he's supposed to. He had like a 17, so he waved it off. The dealer had a 10, flips it over. Dealer's got a 4, and then boom, dealer busted. 24. Sick move. It was everyone at the table was fucking cheering my name. But yeah, you don't want to. You know, you're able to have enough of an advantage, at least for me, you know, and there's been a couple times where, you know, I've had a streak of I'm supposed to win, you know, I have a slight advantage and I lose. You know, when you bet big and is also when you lose. But I have a 6-figure positive P&L from playing blackjack. 6-figure positive P&L. I am a positive P&L blackjack advantage player. Quite the pullback here. Quite the pullback here. Quite the pullback, little pullbacky here. Looks like Bitcoin pullbacky a little here. You know, it's you know, you just got to kind of figure out what you want to do. Are we crypto? Are we shaving a little beef off and trimming the fat off the beef and then injecting back in? You know, when you're on this suey shit, boy, it disappears fast. It comes and goes fast. It comes and goes fast. Let's see here. Come on, YouTube and shitty playlist. This damn YouTube and the damn playlist. It's always just the damn same thing. Same damn thing. Okay, so we're long on Kentucky. The money line against Tennessee. We're long on Kentucky to cover the 4-point spread. and Kentucky to win the tournament for plus 6,500. $250 into $1,350. Now, let's see here. Boy, I sure did like having this account. You know, this account, when I went on the trip, I started with like 200 grand. It was down to like 150. Now it's back up to 400. Back up to, I kind of like having that. I would kind of like to be at 400. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. Boy, I wonder. And is today going to be a bullish day? I don't know. I don't know if today's going to be a bullish day on Bitcoin. We have to think about this. Gotta think about this. I don't really know what's going to happen here. We have cross action, tough acting, tenactin right here. It is a chode of a momentum wave, which means that it's, you know, likely to elongate and last as it has been, rather than a thin momentum wave that just clips over and then it goes doo. This is a thick chode momentum wave. We have inwardly curved VWAP curvature, slight inwardly curved money flow, but the money flow is coming up. So I'd like to think that it's continuation, but it is like up against a spider line. And Sui is having a little pullback here. Just enough to clench the booty. Now, let me ask you, where are all you guys pulling these numbers out of your ass thinking you know what the fuck you're talking about? Tell me what's making you so confident on where it's going to go. It's going to do, it's doing that, it's doing this, it's doing that, like you know. Please tell me. Did you know that it was going from fucking 2.23 to 2.6090? Did you know that too? Did you know that too? Because if you know that, then you knew that, right? You knew that, right? I can feel myself getting a little sour here. I'm getting a little sour. The price is coming down. I'm getting a little sour. Yeah, you guys are just plugging into a. That's what everyone's doing now, is just plugging in ChatGPT and the Grok. Really, it just kind of tells you what doesn't tell. It doesn't. Grok and ChatGPT don't tell you when the reversal's coming. They just tell you what's going on at the moment. I've already taken profits. Yeah, I would like to I have too many drawings on my damn chart. It's too, every chart's too damn messy. Too messy, too messy. The daily, we are halfway through. 12-hour, we have a new candle on Bitcoin. Let's go to Sui. Let's see what the Nui candle looks like. Sui, we have a Nui. Sui, Sui, do you have a Nui, Sui? New little higher high here. New little higher high here. We could probably draw a perfect line right here. That fucking, yeah. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Damn. All right. What are we looking at here? All right. Dang, I was at 403, and now it's at 382. Now it's at 380. You know, maybe I should just keep trying to trim the fat off the beef. You know, should I just trim the fat off the beef? This is a fucking top right here. This is a fucking top right here, without a question. You know, fuck. We drew a line right there, a line right up. Shit. Fuck, it's come up so dang much. Gates open on the 12 still, though. The gates open on the 12, on the new 12. You know? Yep. And man, look how many listen, this whole time, Sui has been coming down, then boom, and coming up, and then I'm telling you, you feel these moves. Sui is you feel every penny. You feel every half penny. You feel every fucking penny. This was the original entry down here. And all these times it comes up and you feel everyone. You feel everyone. And you know, originally the trade was only like 1.8 million. And since if I go over 10x leverage, the limit of the trade is 1.5 million. So I had to actually take profit so I could actually increase the position to what I wanted it to. Because I wasn't able to just increase the leverage on it. I had to actually increase margin. Oh yeah, I'll look at Bitcoin here. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's tightening up. We're tightening up for a crash course here. Crash course. Oh man, is today going to be bearish? Damn it. Oh, it's too late. No, I'm too late. I should have taken. Oh, no, please. No, no, no. My worry was today was going to be bearish for Bitcoin. Yeah, because it has to. Because it has to get rid of all the assholes long and late, son of a bitch. Oh, fuck. And the problem is, you know, let's say it comes down halfway, and then I got it, and then it's torture all the way instead of just being in the same position. If I you know had the normal size account, I could have just been in this trade since the very bottom and not have to trim the flav off the beef. But now I'm flaving off the beef. So I have to flop and grow up the whole way, not sleep. Very little sleep. All because we want to flav on the beat. And this the limitations of the stupid as soon as you go to 11x, it's well, you can only do a 1.5 million. Shit. I'm freaking out. Oh. Hell of a top for it to run into. Hell of a top for it to run into. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hell of a top for it to run into. Hell of a top for it to run into. And you can't short Sui right now, man. Whenever you try to short it, it just don't listen to you. You can't short Sui right now. Just don't listen to you. Oh, man, this is painful. This is painful. Son of a bitch. Whatever. I'll fucking close some of it. I'll close some of it. That's fucking some bullshit. That's some bullshit. This is some bullshit. Yep. No, you can't fucking limit it. You can't limit close it because it's, you know, there's no one else has any money on the damn books. Everyone's fucking broke. Everyone's broke. No one else can fucking afford it. To do tiny, 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 tiny little amounts here. Come on. Oh, what? Oh. 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 Okay, it's eating it for now. Let's cancel this one. Cancel that one. Cancel that one. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, took a little 5 hundo off the board. A little 5 hundo off the board. I just need to believe. I need to believe. I need to believe. But again, the Bitcoin daily on these fucking hourlies is pissing me off. Even though it's bullish on the higher time frames. I need to stay in. I need to stay in. I'm not gonna, you guys are psyching me out. You guys are fucking me up. Sitting here staring at this is ruining everything for me. Let's open the fridge and let's stare in the fridge and see if there's anything inside. Now, what are we looking at here? What are we looking at here? What are we looking at here? All right. Okay, we're on the daily. Now, a little VWAP coverage to the downside, but that's okay. It has room to diverge. The momentum is still, gates are open. The gates are open on the daily. The 12-hour is where we have the chode. We have the chode momentum on the 12-hour. Slightly inward curvatured VWAP. If this can stay inwardly curvatured and the money flow can come up, there might be a Chinese trumpet attempt to the top of the schlagen, the top of the spider line, which is actually at 89,000 and not 91,000. The non-log is 89,000. The log is 92. Now, I will say, the fact that I was even able to limit out is huge. That is bullish. The fact I was even able to limit out $500,000 is bullish. So we're going back in one market sweep. A supermarket sweep. All right, Bitcoin's looking like she's going through it a little bit here. She's going through a little red period there for a little moment. We got money flow coming down, VWAP curvature, momentum curvature right here. Could this turn into something? Is this going to be a bottom money flow? Will we see continuation? Or will it come down? We see a trigger wave. Or will there be one more longer wave and then it comes up? This looks like Scrooge McDougal right here. There's his eyes. Here's Scrooge McDougal, and here's his nostrils. And this is why pencil necks are little assholes. I tell you, the pencil necks only show up once it's fucked. I'm telling you, these damn pencil necks. Man, supermarket sweep. Those were the days. How is Pepe doing here? Oh my. Pepe had a run tonight. Pepe had a run tonight. Pepe had a run tonight. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What did we say? What did I say on Twitter 2 days ago, 3 days ago? I said, it's time to get in on the altcoins. Time to pick a couple of them, people. I'm telling you, I'm not just making this shit up for no reason. Even though, you know, just fear. The fear of coming all the way back down. Even though, even if I did, it would eventually come all the way back up. I truly believe. Listen, it's hard for me. It's crazy for me to even say I'm crazy out there. I just think we're going into a multi-week triad of Bitcoin fucking green candles. All right, 259. Dang, we're back at 2. Man, it's crazy how just not long ago, you know, 225 was far away. 24, even 239 was far away. I was at 223, like 223. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy how strength is relative and weakness is relative. How's our funded account looking? Good. For $800. Pass the test for a 100K account. Have a 100K account. Up $6,000. The best way to leverage your money without having to go 100x. And really, you're getting 500x your money if you're trading Bitcoin. $800 gets you $100,000, and then Bitcoin's locked at 5x leverage. You can do a $500,000 Bitcoin trade for $800 without a 100x leverage fucking you after a 0.5%. 5x, that's 20%. Plus the buffer, it's like 17. I can flop and grope if I want to. I'm human. You know, I'm human. This is a lot of money we're talking here. You know, we're a lot of money we're talking. It's people work 4 years. If people don't even, we're talking $170,000. People work 4 years sweating shitty, stinky asshole jobs to even make that much if they're lucky in 4 years. I can flop and grope a little if I want to. The spread's 80-20, if that's what you mean. Like if you make 10 grand, or are you talking about the percentages? Well, if you make 10,000, you get 80, they get 20, but you can pay to keep 90, they get 10. There's two different tests. There's the one step where it's like a 5% spread and a 4% daily. Then there's the second test where it's like 8% and 6%. You have two different options. Daily withdrawals. There is no, oh, once you make over 10 grand, things get funny. There's no like time limit. Although when I didn't do a trade for 2 weeks, I did get a notification that I had to do a trade. But there is no like, oh, you have to get it done within 30 days and it's all over. But if you don't, if you like go AFK or you forget about it for 2 weeks, it'll let you know like, hey, you got to fucking at least put in a trade. It could be $1, just any trade. Well, she's coming on up. See, look, we took profits at the bottom because these pencil necks are freaking me out when all we had to do was stay true to our own. Now, 1/6 of my trade is gone. I took profits on 1/6. It was 3 million. Now it's only 2.5. It's only a little 2.5. Just a little 2.5. That's all right. Is there something else? Look at all these shit coins. Mew. I wonder how Fartcoin. Pepe, how's Pepe doing? Ooh, look at the Pepe. Look at the Pepe. Fartcoin. How's Fartcoin chart looking? Oh, look at the Fartcoin chart. Now, what happens if I Fartcoin up and right here? What's happening? And what's the leverage looking like on Fartcoin here? Okay, yeah, so I can't get shit for action on Fartcoin. Unless I keep it low leved. What about Pepe? Pepe. Okay, same as Sui, 3 mil and past 11 and on it's 1.5. What we need to do is find similar 500 mil volume shitcoins. Wow, look how small the volume is. What's move? Movement. That's a shitcoin now. That's a shitcoin, folks. This is a good old shitcoin scam. Excellent. Excellent shitcoin scam. Oh, that's right. Crow's another one. You know, Crow's another one just popped. Yeah, like I said, I need to get in more into my crypto hedge fund. It is the best performing hedge fund out of all the others. All right, we're back over 2.6. We're back over 2.6. We're back over 2.6. Man, there it is. I'm telling you, that's what happens. You got shook out by the pencil next in the price action. Instead of just holding my own. I just need to hold my own. But really, the reason is just this Bitcoin. You know, the chode. It does have the chode. I think it might be all right. I think we're gonna see it come up to. $88.9. $89. That's the next spider line. That would be 1%, which would be typically 4 or 5%, which would be 270. I need to get back in. I need to add another 500. I shouldn't have taken it out. This is fun. This is exciting. It's so much better when the trade is going your way. Man, I tell you, it's so much better when the trade's going your way. I do not see this Jesus take the wheel you speak of on the 4-hour. Oh, you mean this? Yeah, I mean that is an arm ahead and an arm, and would you fucking look at that? Was that what everyone was talking about earlier? Was this what everyone was talking about earlier and I didn't find it? Was this the Jesus take the wheel pattern that everyone was talking about that I couldn't find last stream? Wow. And it does it again. Holy, if you're new here, the Jesus take the wheel is a pattern that we pegged on this channel. It has an arm, and so it'll be flat and another arm, or it'll be an arm and it'll have a head. Sometimes there's no head, and then it poof takes off, and it can be inverse as well. It can be upside down. You guys were saying there was a Jesus take the wheel pattern on Sui on the last stream. I'm pretty sure on these time frames. I didn't see it. Wow. This is damn near 100. It's like 100% win rate fucking pattern. Well, thank you for trying to let me know. Hopefully you took advantage of it too. We were already long. I mean, we were long in the Discord, long and strong. We've been long, we've been strong. And hopefully the Chinese don't decide to chong. Hopefully they don't decide to chong us down. Let's take a look see here. Yeah, and I don't like that little line there, but that's okay. That's okay. I can't believe I didn't see this yesterday. I can't believe I didn't see this yesterday. I can't believe this was what you guys were talking about, and I missed it. Wow. I mean, I didn't miss it, but I missed it. Damn, that's crazy. Damn, that's fucking crazy. What about Bitcoin? Is it on here too? Oh, look, it's a Hunchback of Notre Dame with pattern. We didn't see that either. It's a Hunchback of Notre Dame. Remember that one? Let me refill my coffee. I'll be right back. being made. Coffee is being made. Look it up, bro. Look it up. We didn't just make up the Jesus take the wheel pattern. It's a pattern that's there, and we discovered it, and it works. And we've discovered it years ago. We've traded it a handful of times. And when I say a handful, I mean like 6, 7 times. Fucking recently, too. We nailed like 2 of them within the past month. It's very simple. It has an arm, another arm, and sometimes a head or no head. And it has to be a single head or no head. And it's going, Jesus, take the wheel. It's a little person going, hallelujah, Jesus, take the wheel. And then it comes down to the neckline and boom, takes off. And guess what? If you're not a believer, you're a loss. Sucks to be you. Great to be us. All right, my coffee's ready. I'll be right back. All righty, we're back. We are back. All right, what are we gonna do here? What? Oh wow, what time is it? Well, market there. Oh man, market opens in 25 minutes. Damn, time goes by. Wow. All right, now what's going on here? Boy, look at that. Boy, I tell you, there's actually action going on here. Okay, little 30-minute cheese wheel right there, a little cheese right there. Yeah, it's nailing up against it. Nailing up against it. Tight trigger wave. We got a trigger wave right there. Okay, we need this to come a little weakling. It's a little weakling. It's a little thin. It's a little thin. But damn. Damn, this is crazy. This is some crazy shit. What's going on with the Planetar pre-market? Planetar pre-market. I wonder if gold's going to keep going up to. Okay, that's down. What about GME? Did GME pull back a little bit? No, GME's $28. Okay, a little bit. Gold sitting steady over 3,000. Wow. Wow. Come on, baby. Listen, Bitcoin's always made its own patterns and runs with it on different time frames. We've known that for years. We've known that for 6 years, 7 years since we've been doing this shit. And it'll do it on multiple different time frames and it'll use it for a couple weeks long. It could be something like it does this and then that and then that or some shit. It'll be like the Grand Canyon Temple. Okay, it does the Grand Canyon Temple on the 5 minute, and then when you zoom out on a totally different time frame, it'll be the Grand Canyon Temple. And at the end of a Grand Canyon Temple, it dumps. And it'll repeat. You'll see there's the Grand Canyon Temple on the 15. There's the Grand Canyon Temple on the hour. Tomorrow there'll be a Grand Canyon Temple on the 20 minute. And then every single time it dumps. We've known that shit. That's one thing that's made Bitcoin special is we've always been able to find patterns. We add to our pattern book. We have pattern book. Talk about it all the time. Shit, the pattern book is something that we should actually have and make it like if you give a moose a muffin, if you give a mouse a cookie, just a book that's the pattern book. And then leave some blank pages at the back so you can have your own patterns in your pattern book. And then we can have a chat Discord channel where people can post their own patterns they've discovered. But boy, I tell you, every time we find a new pattern, when we let's say we find out the Grand Canyon Hidden Temple dump, then everyone's like, "Is that a Grand Canyon Hidden Temple dump? That's a Grand Canyon Hidden." It looks like something totally different. Let's go, baby. Damn it, man. Sui just ain't afraid, dude. Sui ain't afraid. It's just depegged. It's doing its own thing. 18 minutes. got wiggled out. I got scared, and I closed a sixth of the position. Took $500,000 off the trade, so we have 2.5, almost 2.6 still in. Shaved a little extra profit. Got a little wiggled out. We got a little wiggled out, and that's okay. That's okay. It happens. Like I said, the fact that it was even eating my limit orders, that was bullish. And that's why I canceled the last one. I was like, damn, man, this thing's actually eating my limit orders. That's a good sign. When the shitcoin's eating 150K orders on a limit book once, twice, thrice, instead of just knocking it down, that's a good sign. Let's take a look at what's the news saying. Treasury Department is set to lay off substantial number of employees. All right, that's good. Tariff bullshit. Stephen Curry teams up with Michelle Obama to launch a sports drink. Oh, that's great. That's great news. Wow. What great news we have today. Let's pull up a couple more charts here. Okay, it's at this little toppy top. It's toppy top. Little toppy top. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, we still got 16 minutes. We got 16 minutes. You know what's funny about this 23andMe stuff is that everyone's like, oh my God, someone can come in and buy my genetic data. When they don't even know. Do you know who 23andMe was? Did you do research on them holding your genetics so suddenly you're not okay with them having your genetic genitalia data on there? Oh, they're going to know the size of my pecker. We can't let the Chinese know the size of our peckers. Chinese are going to kidnap us with the big ones that genetically falsify and include to their pecker dysmorphia. And they're going to pretend to be aliens. Be going crazy in the chat just because I said pecker, okay? Doesn't mean you turn into instant perverts, all right? So stay calm, okay? Stay calm. Yeah, we'll see here. We'll see here. We'll see here. What's Bitcoin looking like on the hourly time frames here? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, money flow picking up on the 2. Little momentum to the downside a little bit. Little cross action. A little tough acting to Nactin. Hourly is headed for a fight. To be honest, I always forget which side wins. I forget if the tighter side or the bigger side wins. We should back test this. Like when we have when the triangle is closing on momentum and we have momentum bouncing up and down and one side's bigger than the other, you know, I forget which one wins. Is it the one that's tighter, you know, or is it the one that has more momentum? I forget. I don't know which one tends to win more often, but someone should back test that. Oh my gosh. These ring camera neighborhood stories are crazy, man. Drunk people wandering around at night, trying to open doors, not knowing whose house is what. It's always a. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say never mind. The queers do that shit all the time. There's always a queer that's walking like, oh my, suck dick. I just want to suck some dick. Oh my god, it's not my house. It's my house. This guy posted a video of one in the ring camera neighborhood. Suck some dick. And man, the amount of lost pets, my gosh. You know, my pets don't run away. Why are these pets running away from people's houses all the time? How do you lose your pet? Sad to see people, so many pets get lost all the time. All the time, people losing their damn pets. All right, Suey, giving one little push here at the top. Interesting. Pushing up against the top. My dog isn't denutted. He don't run away. Yeah, it's women are always like, oh my God, oh my God. It's dogs, pets run away from women. Oh, like when my sister, oh my God, Sid's outside. Sid, get back here, get back here. I'm like, he's not going anywhere. He's just in the front yard. He's fine. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, women freak out about pets being outside. And they don't listen to them either. Yeah, no, that's why when I walk my dog, I'm carrying. Someone comes try to take my dog, I'm blasting their ass. Six minutes. Let's take a look see here. Alrighty. How's the old terminal looking? How's the terminal looking? Look at shitter Ethereum. Just Ethereum sucks. Man, Ethereum sucks. I went long on everything at the same time, and somehow Ethereum is just total jack shit. Bitcoin's getting pushed down. I'd rather it get pushed down before the market opens. Go and get pushed down before the market opens. Pump it up. I mean, the pre-markets are up, I'm pretty sure. Planetar. No, Planetar pulled back a little bit. It was GameStop. GameStop's up. What about fucking, what about like Target or something? What the fuck is Target? TRT? What about Trio Technical International? Trio Technical International is not even there. Fucking, let's just type some random letters. Dollar General. Okay, Dollar General. It's going down. Okay, let's see. What about American Airlines? AAL. I think I want to, I like American Airlines. I was thinking about the other day while I was flying American Airlines. I like investing in companies that I like. I think American Airlines, I mean, it's to the airline business. Airlines, tough stocks to tough. But airlines been taking a beating. And I like American Airlines. And they use Airbus. What about Tesla? What about like Tesla? Shit. What time is it? What time? How much time we got here? Okay, we got a little bit of time. Tesla is up on the pre-market. Nope. Slightly down. Pre-market slightly down. It might not even matter. What about Amgen? Amgen, slightly down. Amgen, that's OG shit. Most of y'all don't even know what the fuck Amgen even is. I bet most of you don't even know who or what Amgen even is. I do. Take a look at old Pfizer. Damn, look at Pfizer. Colgate, look at Colgate. Colgate up. Colgate is up a couple cents. What the fuck happened to this chart? Oil? About Ford Motor Company. About something random. JDST Dixon fucking Junior Gold Miners. All right, they're about the same here. All right. Here we go. We got 1 minute left, and it's go time. We'll see what happens here. UK doing welfare spending cuts. That's probably bullish. Who gives a fuck about them, though? Let's do Solano. Whoops. Oop. I'm trying to type fast here. We're trying to type fast. Solano. Okay, we got Solano here. Okay, 10 seconds. Fell 12, 13 seconds. Here we go. Shit might hit the fan. Shit might hit the fan. Or it's going to pump in 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We are off to the races. Not surprised that nothing's happening yet. We are tight ranged. Bitcoin is tight ranged. Bitcoin's tight ranged. Let's get that little suey action. Let's get that chop suey action. If we could actually get the damn chart to work here. The charts aren't working here. That's what we like to see. That's what we want to be. Suey. Beautiful little first candle right here. It's working its magic. Working its magic. It looks like we just had a pump. We are beginning to pump. All right. We have a micro head and shoulders on the 22nd right here. That looks like a little mouse. We have an inverse head and shoulders. Target 265. The target is 265. Bitcoin's up $100. I say we just juice in that other 500K that let's get us back to 3 mil. Let's see how bad it fucks our position. Okay, we're at the 3 mil. Okay, we're at 250. Now our average entry is 250. God dang. When I started, it was 226. Jesus, Lord have mercy. How's that GameStop shit going? How's that GameStop open? Look at that GameStop open. Look at that teardrop. Look at that icicle. Ethereum still the only red thing when we went in on those here. Let's go. 6209, 2.62. Bitcoin at 87,648. Solano at 143.72. Low action so far. Low action so far on the market open. Low action on market open. Maybe today's going to be one of them days where it, you know, starts kicking off like an hour from now, 2 hours from now. We're going to have to be up a little bit longer. Gonna have to stay up a little longer here. I need to get one of my toilets fixed. One of my toilets is fucking leaking. I'm gonna have to call one of the plumbers. And I knew the last guy that fucking did it was gonna fuck something up. He even says like, "Oh, I don't know, something might be wrong with it when I do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways." Fucking asshole. And when I put to press the thing to flush, you have to like hold it all the way down. Like he didn't even make it a good lever. He fucked the lever and he still fucked the toilet up. So I gotta call them today. All right, we're getting some sell action here. We're getting a little tough acting to enact and sell action here. All right, it's gonna get ugly here. It might get ugly here. Might get ugly. It might get ugly here. Bitcoin at 495, 493. We need the Bitcoin to come up back to 493. Come on back to 4. Get all the 465. Oh my God. Oh. It's holding. Let's take a look at gold. 323 same. Back in the 500s. Bitcoin back in the 500s. Hey. Ethereum dumping. Shocker. Bitcoin down to 87,432, 429. 431. Yep. Was a little bit worried today again that today Bitcoin would be a little bearish, certainly. That was the worry today, that it could be a little bearish or just take some time. It's putting up a fight. Bitcoin is putting up a fight. Putting up a good old fight. Relatively calm price action on the open here. Bitcoin back to 87,497. Ethereum holding at whatever shitty price it's trying to hold so far. Bitcoin at 87,525, 87,525. Atta girl Suey. 87,603 for Bitcoin. $200 swing. $200 swing. $227 swing. You get Bitcoin at 633. Suey coming up to the tippy top. The inverse Saigon headed micro shoulder is still at play if this thing would get out of the fucking way. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Target 265. The target's 265. Target's 265. Bitcoin 87,677 on its way to 700. We'll take it. Here we go. Okay, so it's the hourly time frame that's having the wind up. So we're having a little pinch off here. We're having a little pinch off here. We're going to have a little fight with momentum, a little pinch off here. Which momentum's going to win? The one that's tighter or the one that's bigger? I would hope it's the one that's tighter, right? I mean, that's what we look for, is tight trigger waves. Hopefully, the one that's tighter might take a little more time, maybe a little more time if we take the measuring tool. Ooh, we're talking 13 hours. Fuck that. Just break up now. Go to the target of 265 for the inverse head and shoulders. The inverse Saigon. The inverse Shanghai Saigon Dragon Head and Shoulders is on its way to 265. Oh, 264 and just a little bit more. 87,884 for Bitcoin. We got some action here, folks. We got some action. The pencil necks are silent. What happened to the pencil necks? They were here. There was a couple of them here. They've been obliterated into smithereens. Feathers. While we're rolling in tethers. All right. Let's take a look. Let's see if Ethereum is even. Look how shitty Ethereum is. Ethereum just can't get out of its own way. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's updated. It's down to minus $58 somehow. What shittiest fucking thing. This Sui. Well, how much is 4,000 Sui? That's 8,000. That's it. Somehow only 8,000. Oh, wow. That's because it's gone so much. Only $8,000 has apparently made almost half as much as a fucking $160,000 trade. That's crazy. That's crazy. A 10K trade has made half as much as a $160,000 trade. That's Sui for you. Coming back up to 264. 265 is about to jive. The target, I'd say, is fair enough. Hit damn near hit there. There's head and shoulders there. I can do it too. I can do it too. Where's the guy who said, close the trade and thank me later? I haven't seen you in the chat in the past 30 minutes, dick. I'd say this is good enough. I'd say this is good enough for a target hit. It's pretty much about the same size. Guesstimation here. Guesstimation the same size here. If we take that and put that right there, yeah, it's pretty damn close. Yeah, I mean, that fucking qualifies. That qualifies. That qualifies. 87.74. 87.74. Give me some more. Go ahead and bounce on up. Maybe do this retesting shit and continue on. Continue on. Wow. Wow. $87,844 for Bitcoin here. 87,844 for Bitcoin. It's bouncing off the bottom of the trend right now. Let's zoom in here. Oh my God. If this momentum wave, look at this trigger wave. Look at this outwardly curved yellow VWAP oscillation with the oversold RSIs curling back up. We're about to see a potential green turtle. A squirtle. And he's gonna squirt all over you. Yabba dabba doo. Alrighty. Anyone have any jokes or anything they want to say? Anyone got anything they want to say? Does anybody have anything to say? I should be streaming on Twitter at the same time, but if it's like wasn't letting me do it. I gotta try to do that shit again. I need to be streaming on Twitter at the same time. It would blow my Twitter up. How many tickles to make an octopus laugh? Let me think about that for a second. 10 tickles. Oh my God, I can't believe I got it. 10 tickles. Wow, I never heard that one before. Damn, I never get shit like that right. 10 tickles. Got him. Coming back to the head and shoulders here. Inverse head and shoulder target at 2.265. 265. Please Bitcoin down. I've been trying to tell you people, why are you shorting it? Why are you shorting? Stop shorting. Stop shorting. You're just gonna ruin yourself, dude. Just, shorting Ethereum, maybe you can get something there. Maybe, I don't know, but even that's coming up. I'm telling you, stop. Why are you stop? It's like, stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Okay, let me think about, how do you know a pterodactyl is using your toilet? Okay, let me think. How do you know a pterodactyl is using your toilet? That's a tough one. Boy, I haven't the faintest idea. I haven't the faintest idea. You can't, the P is silent. That's fucking lame. I didn't even think you spelled the damn thing correctly. All right. Okay, well, that one was pretty decent. I'll give you that. I kind of like the pterodactyl. The pterodactyl joke is growing on me a little bit. you guys are messed up. First off, you should stick to your own business. You probably don't know the whole story. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I haven't really been speaking on the whole situation. I tried to remain people's friend when they're going through a rough time. Some things become kind of too much though, and some, like it's with some people, you just got to let them go down whatever path they're going to go down. But here's what I will say. If not even like if you're a woman, if I don't know if I want to say this. I mean, I would imagine being Bitboy's girlfriend for the past year or any time recently would be extremely a very, very stressful environment where, he's going at war with everyone. He's probably, I do not think that environment is probably calm. And none of you are angels. You're telling me none of, none of you have ever maybe cheated on your girlfriend or cheated on a spouse or had, whatever. You're all fucking angels. And everyone no one makes anyone do anything. Everyone's at their own fault. So, just know you probably don't know the whole story. And it's fucking life. But I imagine, anyone that's been close to him lately, maybe in the past year or 2 years, he's a high revving dude. You know what I'm saying? And so I wonder, maybe he is calm behind closed. Maybe things weren't always, but just like every day when it's something new when every day it's something, you're in another fight with someone or just constantly, it's like constantly, man, that does not sound like a fun environment or a healthy environment to be a part of. So, I would, Bitcoin 87,370. How about that little inverse shitter head and shoulders that hit, huh? That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Well, there's a difference between fighting to get your company back and then kind of going ballistic. He's been going ballistic. There's a difference between, obviously, I mean, fighting to get your company back is one thing. That is, without a doubt, a stressful, fucked up situation. But he did not make it easier on himself. And he, I mean, there's some things you cannot make excuses for. Yeah, you know, I always thought I would be his best PR person. He even said it one time, like CryptoFace should be my PR person. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, I would have been in it. But at the same time, it's like, you know, he also had a bunch of orbiters of people that are like, oh, we need to help Bitboy. Oh, we need to help Bitboy. Oh, I'm traveling across the world for Bitboy. And then, you know, oh, but he didn't pay me and I talk shit behind his back. You know, everyone talks, oh, I need to help Bitboy. Oh, we all need to help Bitboy. It's like, man, fucking let him in. He don't need your fucking help. Stay out of his ass, especially if you don't really give a fuck if you're trying to get something out of it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, everyone needs to fucking help Bitboy. Oh. Oh, but it's all no. Fuck, focus on your own life. Yeah, my brother made a good joke about the Hamburglar thing to me earlier tonight. I will say that was a good joke. He typed about the Hamburglar thing. Man. I mean, you guys have seen what he's been saying on his, like, there's a thing, you know, I mean, he's been ballistic. And he's been, you know, striking under the belt on people. I don't really need to talk about this. I mean, you already know, but I mean, it is what it is, man. I don't know. It's crazy shit. Where's your invalidation? What did fuck invalidation, dog? There's no such thing as an invalidation. Invalidation for what? Damn, this thing really has moved though. Fuck, I forgot my shit was right here. Fuck, what am I even at? Oh my god, this shit. I didn't realize that. Damn, my average entry's gone all the way up here and it's fucking damn near half. You guys have got me asking about the damn questions. You guys got me answering questions. In this bop song, I fucking hate this part of this bop song. Fucking bop song. Bob song. Like Kentucky and Bob song. Welcome. I'm Kentucky. And I'm with Bob Song. Brought to you by Kentucky and Bob Song Productions. Fuck. Dude. Fuck. I didn't realize it, man. You guys caught me off guard. Shit caught me off guard. Fuck.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Ooh, it fell through the little range. Fell through the range. Damn. Damn. I'm damn near ruining this trade. I've ruined this trade. Ah! Gosh, I didn't realize it was really, man, I'm telling you. Ruined this trade. You damn pencil necks. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. Yeah. Yeah. It's I'm still a believer. Just because one slow day doesn't mean that it's all over. I am a believer that, man, this weekly, as long as we're just staying in these ranges on Bitcoin, we're staying up here 86, 87, 88, whatever, these fucking, you know, high 80s, man, and that momentum wave clips on the weekly. Man, this. I don't know how many damn drawings I got right here. My God, how many things I got to delete right here? Man, this momentum wave clips with this VWAP coming up, you're talking about, you know, bull run, baby. Bull run, baby. All right, we're in the trenches, boys. We're in the trenches, boys. Isn't this what you want? It's good to be back. It's good to be back. CryptoFace is back from vacation. I was gone for a week. We knew that this week and next week are now the 2 weeks of trading action. The last week of the month and the first week of the month are the 2 weeks where we have the best shots, the most clear confirmations and indications and waves and oscillations to peel back these onion layers of stank and to get to the nectar. And yank what we can out of these markets. Take what the markets give us. If we are clever enough to take it. I believe setting goals is dangerous. The market doesn't care about your goals. Your goals are not going to change where the price is going to go. Just take what it gives you. Take what it gives you. And let's see here. What's going on? Is this, are we getting ass pounded right now? Is Bitcoin getting ass pounded right now? Or is it fighting back up? Was it down to 86? Or what's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on here? Come on. Faster. Okay, here we go. God, sometimes I just can't move fast enough. Sometimes I just can't move fast enough. Damn, this was up 12,000 down to 3,000. Oh boy, I'm nervous to even look at the $1 million trade account. The $1 million, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh Jesus Christ!
Prepared to go to school.
Oh man, these are at 3,000 apiece. What the hell happened? What the hell happened?
First day of the school.
Spider lines. Where are the spider lines at? Spider lines?
And,
Those aren't spider lines. I wish they were spider lines.
I got up that morning and something in me said, the hell with school today. You need to go to Hollywood.
Ooh, we're at 390. Almost back at 400,000. Come on back. Come on back.
I started saying to myself, I'm going to Hollywood today.
Come on back.
I had no idea.
Man, just like that, this shit is so quick. This is half of the trade right here. This length is half of the damn trade. Half my P&L on this shit.
Things that broke my mother's heart, the fact that I was quitting school.
And it's too fast. It's too fast. It's too fast to even try to analyze.
And,
Too
She
fast.
knew I had no money. I had no connections. I knew nobody out there.
Shit. Man, oh man, I don't. Oh, I just want to stay in. I just want to stay in. I don't want all the crazy shit to happen. But I want the money. I want the money, but I want to stay in. I don't want to lose. I've already lost. I've already lost my amazing entry from 2.226. It was a $1.5 million trade.
In fact, I walked to Hollywood.
and I can't, and the limit of a 10 over 10x is 1.5 million. So I had to take profits to get 300,000, so I could up it to 3 million, since the limit is 3 million on 10x and lower. And then I trimmed a couple fat off the beefs a couple times, and here we are. Pencil Nick got me out one time, and now here I am, from 226 to 250. 71,000 realized, 100 on the board, 16,000 under 400K. Gosh. No, man, I really don't like what my gut's telling me. I don't like what my gut's telling me right now. My gut is telling me to run. My gut is telling me to take what the market is giving me now and run. And I don't want to do it. My gut is telling me to take the money and run, and I don't want to do it. Let's take a look at Planetar. Planetar, slight pullback on Planetar. Exciting stuff. It's good to be back from vacation. Good to be back. Thank you all for being here. I missed you, folks. I missed you all. I hope you missed me too. It's funny, Bob's watches. I actually just ordered a Bob's watch for a friend of mine. My friend who actually watches, stays at my place while I'm gone. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm gonna get. What I got. Actually, it should be coming today or tomorrow. Let me show you guys. I think he's gonna love it. It's nothing crazy. It's nice, simple, classy, beautiful. Let's see here. I get so many darn emails. Is anyone tired of your emails just being blown to bits every day? My gosh. So many damn emails. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. And I can't afford to look ridiculous. Okay, here it is. I'm pulling it up for you guys now. And a man in my hand can't afford to be made to look ridiculous. Okay, so this is the one I got him. This is my favorite. Like I love the, I forget what it's called, the band style. The band style called is it Jubilee? Anyways, I think he's gonna like it. Black face. I like the black face, and he sure don't have a Rolex now, but he will when it arrives. Nice. I like this watch a lot. So got it for him. And yep. Shit was cool in 2005. Cool to me now. I like the vintage. I like vintage styles way more than the new shit. New shit looks fake. Try hard. Yeah, the new shit's fucking try hard. All new jewelry's try hard. Like same with like chains and necklaces. The all like the whole short necklace thing. So I want everyone to see my chain. No one wears long chains anymore. You know what I'm saying? They want it. It's almost like a choker. I don't want a choker on. It's fucking gay. Thanks, Edward. Come on, Bitcoin, man. Come on, baby. Come on, fight, fight, fight. Please, please, please. Fight, fight, fight. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. I don't have any wiggle room. There is no wiggle room anymore. This is going to be a long day if I don't close this trade and start over at another time. This is going to be a long fucking day. This is going to be a long day. I already can tell. What is this, a 2 minute? Okay. We got a little 2 minute rolling over. The 2 minutes rolling over on the VWAP oscillation. No, there's a tight trigger wave on the 1 minute. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please, no. Please, no. Okay, what about the 30 second? The 30 second. It's a little bit of fight. Inward curvature on the 30 second. What about the 15? The 15 is on our side. The 15 is on our side. The 5. We've seen better on the 5 second. That's for damn sure. It's not really. Oh, no, please. No, 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 no. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. All right, it looks like we're gonna have a little downward pressure. We're gonna need this downward pressure to come up. We're gonna need this money flow to come up. We're gonna need this VWAP oscillation to come down, then come up. Hopefully this is just a hitch. Hopefully it's just a hitch. Oh. No. No. 381, 382. Man, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, this is killing me, guys. This is killing me. This is killing me, dude. It's killing me. I'm dying over here. I'm dying. I'm dying. It's easy for you to say I'm the one in the trade. Keep peeking at this amount here. Oh, look at that. Look at that GameStop. Good for it. Look at the Planetar. Planetar not doing shit. Okay, what is this here? The 5 second? Okay. Okay, we're starting off with a little green candle. A little green candle. Come on. Yeah, we're in the trenches. This is real trading. This buying shitcoin meme tokens and getting dumped on isn't trading. This is trading. Oh, it's getting hammered. Oh, we're down to 372. No. I should have taken, I knew I should have taken what the market was giving me, and that was it right there. What the market was giving me, that was it right there, boys, girls. Man, we may have to sweating this one out. We are sweating this one out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we're back to there's 3 digits on. Oh my god. Alameda is blowing up. What's Alameda? Alameda USD? What the hell's Alameda? Oh yeah, the FTX shit. Oh. What do you mean it's blown up then? Oof, we're taking a beating. Taking the beating. We didn't take what the market gave us, and now we're losing our ass. We're losing our ass. We knew today was going to be funky with the Bitcoin price. Knew it. Knew it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Feel like Senator Palpatine. Do it. Do it. We're down to damn near 350. We were at 393 just minutes ago. 400. Being at 400 is much better than being at like 339. Man. Shucks. Shuckaroonies. And, you know, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. That's fucking cookie crumble. Was the cookie crumbling more? The cookie's crumbling more. 2.57, 2.6. Oh, my God. This is torture. Oh, my God. No. Why? Why me? Said me. No. 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 Beavis. No. No. Oh, no, no. This is just a random line too. I just move this line down. If it so happens to be there, that'd be nice for basically open that happens. Beat down. We're getting beat down. Getting beat down. Beat down. It's a beat down. Ooh, yeah. It's a beat down. It's a beat down. It's a beat down. It's a beat down. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Golly. This is, boy, I tell you, it's painful. I hope you guys are enjoying watching. This is painful. This is painful. Painful to watch. Painful to be a part of. Painful to be a part of. I mean, it's had a great 2 days. It makes sense to have a day to cool off. And then tomorrow it's back on. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense for today to be a cool off day. And then tomorrow it's go time again. But this is, I mean, when we're trading these shit coins, and especially when we've been cutting out, getting back in and ruining our entry. Come on. Come on. Shit. Oh. Jeez. 70,000 down. We're 60,000 down from the fucking top. Man, I knew this. I knew this right here. I'm like, I'm like, take what the market gives us, and it was like, this is the last what I'm giving you. This is all I can give you. I'm Mr. Market. This is all I can give you, Mr. CryptoFace. This candle right here. When I was saying you got to take what the market gives you, this was it. It was, this is all I can give you. This is all I can give you, man. This is all I can give you, man. I knew it. Gosh. Oh, fuck. Damn, down to 330. Shit. I mean, technically it's still, you know, $130,000 win, but man, I really don't. Alrighty. Oh, I hate this part of this damn song too. We can't listen to this fucking song. Get that shit out of here. All right, come on. Hammer candle, baby, to the upside. Let's see that hammer candle piston to the upside. Come on. I don't even have time to switch charts. We don't even have time to switch charts. Don't even have time to switch charts.
Sometimes when the rain falls, I think of you. It gives me this peaceful feeling. It's true. Sometimes when the phone rings, I can tell you're calling. It's you, baby. Sometimes I imagine you're near me, as close
Gentlemen,
as
in the mix.
my skin. And then sometimes I hear your voice calling my name.
We have too many drawings. I can't even, I'm trying to like look at the chart, but there's too much yellow squiggly lines everywhere. I can't even like get a good look at what's going on
Chase my words
in a timely fashion.
that your smile
Right.
keeps my fears at bay. And that your eyes speak to me.
Okay.
They say, I missed you.
Oh. E.
And your hug, makes my shoulders relax.
This ain't boy. Yeah, it's looking a little rough here, folks. It's a little rough.
Straighten
Looking a little rough.
your strong
Yeah.
hands.
Stupid GameStop's pumping.
There's just something about you that sometimes settles me. Something about your presence. And sometimes when you're not here, oh, you're here. You see,
Yeah, damn, we're down to 345.
my thoughts,
Okay, back up to 350.
I'm looking at you.
We're down to 343, 342 plus fees be like 339, 340.
Feel your hands. You're here.
Oh, yeah. 595. Say it ain't so, man. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Wow. Wow.
I know it seems a little silly, but I can't help myself sometimes. Sometimes it's just that way. But forever and ever, I love you.
I don't know, folks. You know, I mean, yeah.
I love you.
It's the business we have chosen. This is the business we have chosen. Business we have chosen. Oh, and there is the business, and it's chosen. Yep. 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 There's the triple top. Double tops aren't real. Triple tops are. Double tops don't exist. Triple tops do. Especially this when they're slanted. Yep.
I love you.
Oh. About to push on through. There it goes. We just enjoy torturing ourselves. I guess we just enjoy the torture. And there, I mean, there's really, is there any hope in sight? Is there any hope? No, on the 2 hour. Keep it on there. That's pretty much what's going on here, folks. Let's take a look at the terminal, the funded account. Let's take a look at the breakout funded account. Oh my gosh, we were up to $7,000-$8,000, and now we're down to $1,800. Oh, golly, gee willikers, golly. 86,700. Okay, 86,700. I can deal with. I can deal with 86,700. 86.8. We can deal with that. When it gets lower than that, my booty starts clenching. Yeah, I mean, geez. I mean, look how does it get any more toppy than this? Does this screen top any more than top screen? Is this not the toppiest one of the toppest tapestry you've ever seen? Talk about having some tapestry. Man, I'm a nickel away. Oh man, this is killing me, guys. My pride, my ego, and my joy is just being sucked out of me. It's being sucked out of me, dude. I can feel my computer draining my energy force out of me. I'm becoming fatigued. Down to 335. I mean, as long as I have at least 300, that way I can max out a 3 mil SUI trade, you know. I mean, you know. Shit. Man, we were living pretty. I was sitting pretty and I really dropped the ball. I was sitting pretty. I was on my ivory tower, high horsed and ready to go.
Gentlemen in the mix.
I can feel my eyes starting to drift in opposite directions. Speechless. I'm just speechless so far. What are we at? 86.6. Folks, we need something. I don't know. I just don't have the answers. I don't have the answers. Money flow's coming down on the hourly, down on the 2-hour momentum right there. That momentum is looking a little rough. Again, this was kind of what I was expecting for Bitcoin. This was my fear. This was the fear that that Bitcoin was going to have some turbulence, because we were going to go certainly through some sell pressure turbulence. Okay. All right. 86,700 on Bitcoin. 86,700. Back to 350. Back to 350. Okay, we're holding steady, lads. Hold steady, lads. Alrighty. Okay. 86, we're in the 86,700s on Bitcoin. Boy, this is one of them every candle matters. Yeah, we're just at the mercy to the market here, folks. We're at the mercy to the market, letting time go by. I could use a snack. I need something in my belly. Going to attempt to make a fast journey to the kitchen and back. Bagels, dude. I had two big things of bagels. I don't know where they are. I can't find them. They were hidden from me. I have to go make another attempt. Oh, this is depressing. This is depressing. Is anyone else like tired and depressed? Because I am. I am tired and depressed, and that, there it goes. There it goes. I can't believe, if you told me I was going to be tired and depressed at the SUI price of $255, I would have laughed my ass off. I would have said, I'm going. Okay, this ain't going to work. It's this music. It's the music. The music isn't helping either. I don't even want any music. I think I'm done. I'm just done streaming. I'm done. This isn't fun anymore. Anyways, alrighty. Well, it is what it is. At this moment, I could walk away with what 130,000. That's all right. That's all right. It was just better. It could be better than that. And we got 10 days, or the rest of this week and next week for cruising, and it's all right. It's all right. We can let it. I just got myself in a pickle by increasing the position, pencil necking out, pencil necking back in, pencil necking out, and going back in, increasing my entry from when the original entry was 226. I'd be sitting pretty, but I'll take the 130 G's. Oh yeah, give it to me, please. Give it to me, please. Until next time, I'm going to have to get something to eat. I'm going to have to get some sleep. And then I'll be back again soon. Don't you worry.